Callbacks is something on my list that I wanted to talk about. So let's dive into that a bit further. Arguably the number one objection I get for people that aren't in the integration space specifically is I don't want to roll a truck, Jeff, for a little job that I did for 300 bucks. Or, I did a couple $1,000 job. I don't have the revenue to roll the truck three times to that job again because of issues. So I think that's 100% key is having that administrative, I guess is the term I would use, the installer
Yeah.
administrative access really does eliminate a lot of that because you can see almost everything from there, correct?
Yeah, between the Pro Dashboard and ProView and the app, you can see everything. So, Wi-Fi signal strength, what it's connected to, if integrations have dropped offline, if devices have dropped offline. Once you're in the app, you can add the integration, set up the motion, create the scenes, adjust, reassign your sliders, adjust the status light on the dimmer switches. I think 95% can be done through the app. There's very, very little where you have to be physically there on the control after that initial installation and configuration.
And is there any, I've never asked you this before, is there any push from that administrative side? So if I've installed 15 systems for Brilliant, so I've got 15 different clients, is there any, if one network goes down, if one system goes down, is there any push notifications or is that just something like proactively you have to go in and look?
You can set it up so you get your email alerts and or text alerts to you as the professional if something is down or offline. So then you can go to the ProView, check it out. Oh, that control dropped offline. Well, let me check their Wi-Fi. Maybe you have an Eero system. Well, you can, through their pro.eero.com, I believe, or remote network management for them. I'm blanking. It's been some time. Like you can look into it, or if you have Oversee, you can look in and see, what's going on with the router and the network. So you can set up for email alerts, which is probably the easiest way to go about it, and you can discover it, and then you can be proactive with your troubleshooting, maybe handle it before the client even notices. But 100%, those 15 or 1,500 homes, whatever it is over time, yeah, it's all there.